of the internet.
Welcome back to our channel!
Hi.
Hello.
Hi everyone, welcome to the most unprofessional video in life itself. My name is Ninja. Actually Nina, but you could also call me Nee or Neen.
And my name is Ave.
You could also call me
Kate.
Or Ave Matilda.
You cannot.
We are like comedy pure.
Pure comedy.
Pure comedy. No, like Ave, you cannot look, like stare in the viewfinder when you talk because you want to talk to people. Like you have to look in the lens so it looks like you talk into people's eyes. Like you want to make a connection.
But I feel like I never want this.
I think some people appreciate eye contact.
Okay. Then I'll do it for the ladies.
Do it for the fame! Real, genuine friends. This is such a lie.
I'm leaving right now.
Bye!
Well, we decided to film a video today because Ava is visiting me in Barcelona and I'm so excited. You can't even believe how excited I am. I feel like I'm spitting. If you're wondering why we already have makeup, well, you don't have makeup on anymore. You removed most of it. You lived the day prior to filming this video. Okay, so whatever. We're gonna do our makeup now and we want to take you on the ride. If you want to see this, keep watching. If you don't want to see this,
keep watching.
bye Felicia. So we are using our Jeffree Star palettes today, Androgyny Beauty Killer.
I mean, I want to have this mirror. Why do you do it like this?
Like what? How else would I do it? You're confusing me on so many levels.
I mean, I don't even know what I'm doing.
Yeah, I see that. Don't block your fucking face with the mirror.
You can say fucking on YouTube. People
Oh,
get
true.
demonetized.
Yeah. If you look like really crazy.
I mean, I learned from the best, honey! I'm gonna scream at me. But you know, you're not left-handed. I feel like I should sit there because
Yeah,
I'm
like
with the right hand.
Let's change. I'm gonna take China White, which is like cocaine in the air. No, Abe, but I do it like this. Why do we change the sides? But do you feel better on there?
No, I feel trapped.
Let's go. Oh my god, no one wants you in this video anyways. They're all here for me.
What do you mean?
Abe notes are like crooked.
What is crook?
I meant cricket. No, wait, what is this word? I'm not a native English. Oh my god. Okay, I look like The Weeknd back in the days when he was still original.
She kind of looks more like a Monday.
So, anyways, a question for all of my loyal followers and subscribers.
This is two people.
Just people. No, honestly, like everyone who, for whatever reason, watches this video, let me know.
You are sick.
You are sick in the head and you should see a professional. So, okay, so what is more important to you? Professionality or fun and entertainment? Because I feel like I'm goddamn entertaining and I'm fucking fun.
I mean, what kind of shit brush is this?
Why are you using this brush? It's a concealer brush, Ave. Don't shake it, it's champagne.
Just once.
Ave, if you like piss in my bed with champagne... Oh, this sounds bad.
Oh my god, it's gonna pop like my cherry. I feel like it's not even gonna pop, it's gonna be like, bye.
Well, this is the bed that I'm sleeping in.
So wet.
So wet.
Is this what it feels like to pop your cherry?
Yeah, so we just put like random eyeshadows on our eye. I don't even want to talk you through because I feel like what I'm doing is very like sloppy and dangerous. I'm just putting like some warm neutral shades.
And I'm mixing warm with cool so it becomes neutral. I used this Courtney color.
But Courtney with a C, not with a K.
Yes.
So don't confuse it.
This is what I used in my crease, kind of all over the fuck. And then I used this China White. I kind of used it like under the eyebrow.
Not to be confused with Black China.
And not to be
because it's white China.
Yeah.
So we also took the Jaclyn Hill palette too.
Yeah, and I just want to say, everybody keeps talking about like, oh, like Morphe changed up their eyeshadows after the Jaclyn Hill palette, but I just bought the Morphe like 3502 palette. And
It's not the same.
It's not the same. I mean, I like the palette, don't get me wrong, but the eyeshadow is more powdery. It's not buttery at all. Like these eyeshadows are buttery.
Yeah, like butter.
Yeah.
So we were thinking, or I was thinking, because I'm obviously the brain of like this partnership. So anyways, we decided to do like something entertaining for you than just like our blah blah blah. So we're gonna do a TMI tag or like never have ever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, then let's do it. What is this TMI tag? Can you explain?
Too much information tag. They, I think it's like questions that are very private and intimate.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, so Ave, question number 1. What are you currently wearing?
I mean, this gray sweater from H&M.
This
Taurus Nicholas.
And I'm wearing this like yellow shirt. I think it's also from H&M, and I'm wearing those like sweatpants. Have you ever been in love?
I don't answer this.
Well, obviously not. We're both in a long
Distance.
and long time relationship. So I guess we're technically in love, but it's just
Like,
not like, I mean, we're still with them after years, so I feel
Yeah.
like this is love. Ever had a terrible breakup? Well, I feel like I've never had a non-terrible breakup, to be
I
honest.
feel like I've never cared enough to have a terrible breakup.
Yeah, I feel like I'm dramatic. Next one.
Around.
How tall are you?
Really? Is this a question?
I swear to God, this is a question. You can say you're a giraffe. I'm like a chihuahua.
Yeah.
No, I'm not. I'm not that small.
No.
I look like I sucked a dick. Do you have any tattoos? Question number 8. Is yours like still a secret or is it out yet?
No, it's like out all the way.
Okay, so Ave did get
But
a
then-
tattoo secretly. Throw it, but don't kick my camera, please.
And then I went to town with Neen and I got this like wave.
Okay, so I have like a couple of tattoos. So first of all, it's like my mom's birthday because I'm a mommy's girl and my mom is like the best person in life itself.
She really is.
She really is. Yeah, I love her too. So then I got my nerd tattoo on like my other
It
like
says suck my dick.
no,
I know,
it
right?
says family in like Elvish, you know, the language from Lord of the Rings. It's like an N with like some detailing because my name is Nina and I'm, oh my god, I look like someone really punched me in the face and I'm obsessed with myself. I feel like I cannot show this tattoo without getting naked. So then I have like a tattoo like in this area and it says Libra, which is like the astrological sign for like
Suck my dick.
the scale. I don't know how it's in English. So this is my sign and like my dad's sign and like, okay, cheers to that. Okay, what's your favorite song?
I feel like we both have a favorite song shared.
Like Fuck Me, I'm a Celebrity or...
Or Kiss My Country Ass.
So
we have to play it.
Okay.
Guys, I have to make this hilarious joke.
Yeah.
Hello, is this the Krusty Krug? No, this is Patrick!
Wait, 1 second before we're gonna play it. I think my memory card is like full.
I feel like I could never like delete those pictures.
Same. I'm not gonna delete them. I'm gonna delete them.
Oh. Neen, this is no shit.
Okay, so hi. If you have to be in the frame and you have to be active since you already like ruined everything. Kidding. Ave just dropped like everything. The whole setup, it was very sensitive to begin with. Can you please take your mirror and do your makeup? There's alcohol all over my floor.
That's what you always wanted, right?
Yeah, this is what I always wanted. So everything fell apart.
But that's fine.
But it's fine, we're back. So we were talking about the Kiss My Country Ass song, so let's just gonna listen to it for a minute while we blend out our contour.
Oh my god.
Great. Hey!
This is beautiful. I'm with that.
So that's our favorite song.
Wow, that was quick.
How long does it take you to take a shower? I don't shower.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's move on. What's your zodiac sign? I feel like we already mentioned this. I'm a Libra, she's a Capricorn.
Like, hit me.
How long does it take you to get ready in the morning?
I mean, do you have eyebrow pencil?
No, I'm born like this.
Where does it lay?
Maybe like 1.5 hours. But if I'm like, just want to do like something really quick, like 40 minutes. Question number 19. What turns you on? Food.
A big dick.
You can't say that.
Okay.
What turns you off? Romantic.
Same.
What's your favorite color?
Black.
Favorite actor? Like favorite as in like hottest or favorite in like funniest?
I really like Jonah Hill. I think he's really fucking hilarious.
He's fucking hilarious. He sure is. And if it comes to hotness, I would say like Colin Farrell back in the days.
Or this how's he called?
Tom Hardy.
Taylor
Lautner.
No.
Taylor Swift.
Magic Mike.
Channing Tatum.
Yeah.
Really? That's so basic. The reason you joined YouTube.
Because you have no life.
Yeah, because I have no life. I have no friends, and like people told me I should do makeup tutorials, and now I'm here getting drunk on camera. Meaning behind your YouTube name. There's not like really rocket science behind it. It's like makeup and ninja, because some people call me Ninja and my name is Nina and it's like a nickname, so it's really... Last time you said you loved someone. That is so fucking funny.
I mean, I can't put on like eyelashes.
Then don't. Ave, I feel like my makeup looks so bad.
No, I feel like it doesn't.
Yeah, because it didn't look.
No, I see you're next to me, like I know. Well, why do you think it's bad?
What?
Your makeup.
Because I'm not satisfied. Because I feel like I did it so sloppy.
But then do it not sloppy.
Yeah, well now it's already too late.
But make yourself happy in life.
Okay. But I'm just gonna try to put on lashes on Ave, because with her left hand she is not capable. I've never put on lashes on other people. I'm not a makeup artist.
I feel like you really fucked me, Neen.
I can fix it,
I
don't
feel
worry.
like I trusted you.
You shouldn't have. So let's move on with the next question.
I feel like it's really fucked.
You have to kind of take it down. Like squeeze it with a squeezer. No, like Abe, I have this tool.
With the squeeze.
Like Abe, this is to apply lashes like professional.
Stop saying that.
It's legit. Last show you watched, Keeping Up with the Kardashians.
Yeah.
Who's the last person you talked to? Obviously Abe.
Nina, that's so fucked.
Do you have a crush? No.
What does that even mean?
The relationship between you and the person you last texted. So the last person I texted was a group of my friends, and the group's name is like Kick Nina Out. So the relationship is kind of obvious. They hate me. Favorite food, Pokeball. Ave?
See, this is why you get eyelash extensions, people!
Last time you were insulted. I feel like my whole life is an insult to myself.
I think it really is, Neen.
Favorite piece of jewelry, chokers and hoops, because I'm a slut. Ave, can you please focus, or are you...
No, I'm like really focusing on these fucking eyelashes that you put on.
Not so professional.
I feel like now they're really good.
They actually are. See? So we can go back. I'm a professional! Last time you hung out with anyone? Literally right now. At what age did you have your first sexual experience? I feel like the day of birth, because you like literally come out of the vagina. I feel like this is kind of sexual. At what age did you have your first kiss? Like 13, I guess? How old were you?
I think I was really late. But I think I was like 14, 15.
Yeah.
Because I literally didn't care about anyone and I didn't want to have to deal with anyone. So I didn't want to kiss anyone.
Well, that makes sense. What is the biggest lie you've ever told? Yeah, so I feel like sometimes I pretend I'm so social, which I'm not. Oh no, I know what's the biggest lie that we ever told. When we said to this teacher we handed in the assignment, which we never did. She was like, oh, I feel like I didn't get it. So we were like, oh, never mind, we can send it to you again. So then we finished the assignment and we did send it to her like 5 weeks later. So I feel like this was like the most savage lie we ever told, and like we didn't get caught. Do you hate anyone right now? Yeah, basically everyone. You have ever been in love by someone who didn't love you back?
No.
No, because everyone loves me. Have you ever been betrayed by someone you care about? Well, yeah, there are a lot of fake friends out there. Wait, what does that mean? Have you ever danced without leaving room for Jesus? What does that even mean?
Only think about Jesus.
Oh my god, this one is good. Have you ever dated someone you met online? Have you ever kissed a non-family member on the lips? Why would I kiss anyone from my family on the lips? This is fucking incest and disgusting. Yeah, like I only kiss non-family members on the lips. Like if you kiss your family on the lips, you are sick. Okay, so this was so random. Sorry the video turned kind of into shit in the end. The battery's gone, so bye! See you next time, bye! Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs down because this video is so professional. Bye.